Hey guys, today we have this 2023 Ford F350 and customer only have one key fob, and we're gonna program them with this a newer key fob to add it. And this one is the newer system of the Ford 2022 and up will be different. All right, let's get started. All right, first thing we're gonna do, of course, test the keys. The one without the keychain. This is the new one that we need to program. So you can see this doesn't lock and unlock, but this one does. And of course we're gonna go ahead and check that it will start the truck as well. Go ahead, this is the working one, so it has a cut, and this one doesn't have a cut. So let's start that. And looking at, there's no engine light or anything, no engine light or anything though, so this is pretty good. No engine light on, so let's get started. First we're gonna cut, first thing we're gonna cut the key. And I didn't bring, let's go ahead and cut the keys. Look at this, this is a beautiful truck. F350 white with a step on the truck bed, rear camera, everything. So let's gonna go ahead cut the keys. This one I didn't bring my forgot to clean my get my steel brush. We need to clean this, make sure it's clean. So let's go ahead cut the key fob, the key blade at least. Let's go universal key duplication, and we can do, let's see, 4 channel track. Let's go to channel track. Top line, M2A clump, and first blade right here. Second. Hopefully this one reads and does not break my probe because it's a little bit dirty. Let's go decode it and make sure you connect it to our X source. Decode it. It's a problem without cleaning this, and sometimes it doesn't decode it properly, and because of the dirtiness of it. So hopefully it's not too bad. Just decoding right now. Yep, decoding. You'll know it if it's dirty because it'll break, and I broke that before a couple times. All right, we're almost done with this. Not too bad, not too dirty. So let's remove this one. This one, let's go ahead. Cut the key. We're gonna put the new one into the same spot. Same spot right here. Make sure it's clean. Cut the key. Continue. So put it aside, and we are still decoding. Right now it's a little bit raining. It's supposed to have like 80% of rain today. Hopefully slow down. Some cutting key. The best way to cut this key, oh, I've been breaking my cutter, my bit, because this was spinning slow. It's supposed to spin fast and move slow. will cut finer if it's fast spin, and it will not heat it faster if you run it slow. While that's cutting, this is the truck that we have. But go ahead, test this one. If it locks and unlocks. It works. Locks and unlocks it. No problem. It's good. So while that one is cutting one side, and then it's gonna finish. That one is 99%. That's good. So just go clean this real quick. And I gotta have a blower right here. Look at this. My favorite. Clean it. Remove it. Look at that. That is good. We're gonna flip it to the other side because we have two sides. There you go. Then I'm gonna press OK, cut key again, continue. There you go. That will cut one more time. All right, let's go ahead program this key fob. We already cut it, and this is the original one. So you can see it will be like lock and unlock. You can hear it. The lock and unlock, and this one doesn't do it because it's not programmed yet. And we have the key cut already. This is not programmed. See, will not click it. And this is the program key that we have. Let's go ahead and insert it real quick. Turn on position. That's the program key fob. Let's connect our VCI underneath. All right, we are connected. Let's go the Fkts. All right, I'm gonna go connect to this Fkts real quick. All right, now we're connected. We're gonna go ahead, we have our VCI connected here, and you must click that V20, right? Let's go connect that. There you go. And we are here. We're gonna pick a car, F350. If you can't see it, all you gotta do is let's go to all markets, vehicle, 2022 and up. We can go to keys and then key counts. It has 2 key fobs right now, okay? And a system. And let's go, minimum is 2. Let's go to path function. Let's go write the keys. Okay, we have the out code right now. So what we're gonna do is control copy. We're gonna copy that one and we're gonna go to this online, which is the Fkts out code. You're gonna paste on that one, calculate it, and make sure we have a Wi-Fi or hotspot into your laptop. So now this is the encode. We're gonna copy this one and go back here, and then it said press the encode, then enter, right? It says insert new key, turn on the ignition and press OK. So let's remove this one, and we have we just press on, then we're gonna press OK. It said programming key, failed to write, no data. It said failed to write, but you heard it that it beeped the system. So it beeped with the lock and unlock. So what we're gonna do is, no, we do not retry. What we're gonna do is go to keys and then key counts. It says 3 key counts right now. Let's go ahead, remove it real quick. All right, so this is the original and this is the one we just programmed. Let's try this. Oh yeah, look at that. It locks and unlock. And let's see, this is the new one. Okay, let's go ahead, start it. Oh yeah, this thing works. Truck started. Okay, and this is the third, the original one. Make sure it's still start the truck. This is good, guys. This one will start the truck. Let's go ahead, close it, double check everything. Lock. This is the one we just programmed. It locks, unlock, and this is the old one. Locks. Let's see. Come on. Lock and unlock. So this is good, guys. All right, guys. This is for programming the 2000. I think it's 2024. This is 2024 Ford F350. We had the Fkts. We program it, add a key. Hope you like this video, guys. If you have any questions, let me know, and then I'll help you guys. Thank you.